yo. Okay guys, so today we are here at the Escourt Mielie estate and we are fishing with Sheolin. So yeah, thank you to him for inviting us again. If you haven't seen our last video, you can just go check it out because we caught some cracker barbel. We also caught some very nice carp. So the fish have been showing quite well on the surface behind me, and yeah, let's see if we can catch them because there's hundreds of fish in the spots that we are fishing on. So,
Okay guys, so just looking at the weather, and apparently it's going to be a hot day. It's going to go in probably into the 30s. So we came prepared, brought our gazebo, going to be in the shade, drinks lots of water. And might be expecting some storms in the late afternoon. And yeah, so we said we're going to just throw one rod for carp, but our main target is the barbel. So we'll show you what we're using, what traces we're using, and let's go see if we can catch some fish.
yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing now on the carp rod. So I've clipped in quite shallow. I see that the fish are showing very shallow here and the water is quite deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take four bombs, and I'm just gonna put it onto my spot, and then I'm gonna bait up the rod, put it on, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing on my barbel rod. So I just got a P4 sinker on my clip-on. So just going to put it on like this. Okay, so the feed that I'm using is the SVB Extreme feed, and yes, it's binding very well. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I think that should be fine now. Okay, so I'm gonna cast just onto my target now. On the other bank, there's a little white thing on the bank. Let's see. spot on. Just give it a little sweep, just to make sure that your feed is off. Yeah, there's also a lot of barbel, and since this is a bit of a sloop here, the barbel generally they like the sloop, so I might even pick up a nice barbel on my carp rod. Okay, you can cut it.
Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna bait up my barbel rod quickly. I'm gonna show you what trace I'm using and what I'm using. Okay. Okay, guys. So what I got here is a small carp, and so we had a pond at home full with these small carp, and unfortunately when we had a storm, and when the storm came, something happened with the water, and unfortunately some of them died. So the ones that died, we just took them and we said we'll use them for barbel bait. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the head here. A small carp head. Okay guys, so got quite a simple trace here. Just a 35 centimeter long main line from sinker to hook, and just a normal bass hook with some barbs on the back of it, and a P2 sinker. And then I'm using a 25-pound line, and yeah, that seems to be working nice, so I just kept with it. Okay, so when I'm basting it up, I'm just gonna push it through the bottom lip and come out through the top. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, but now I'm gonna just add a little touch of stinkfoot from Supercast. Okay, I'm just gonna put just a touch of stinkfoot at the top, just in the mouth area, and then just underneath where the guts are. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cast this one out, and I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens. Okay, so I have to do that one a little bit further, just because the reeds is a little bit shallow here. So yeah. Okay, let's see what happens.
Okay guys, yeah, I've got Supercast feed with a Babe's banana bleeder and a garlic bleeder with banjo and garlic dip.
Okay guys, so I just cast with this rod now. Maybe not even 5 minutes, and I'm getting bites. So what's happening is the poisa is just going up and down just slightly, and it's like just twitching. So I'm just gonna wait for a nice pull and then I'll set it. I think he's on. Okay guys, so I've been seeing a lot of movement with this rod, so I'm guessing it's a small one, but I'm just gonna hit it and see what happens. Okay guys, yeah, feels like he's there. Not really a big one, but nice, decent, small one. I can feel the little head knocks. I thought. Oh, I've lost it. Oh guys, so unfortunately it got stuck somewhere in the reeds here somewhere, so it came off and I have to just retry and see what happens again.
Okay guys, so I just had a nice take on this rod. Just bounced it up. So let's see if it's here. Okay, yeah, feels like it's here. Feels very tiny, so not sure. I think it might have come off. Yeah, it's off. So I think it was about time I put my barbel rod out. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning now, and yeah, I just got myself a carp head. The trace that I got is just a P3 running sinker, swivel, and then roughly about 30 centimeters of hook line. Then I got two 5.0 bait hooks from Pioneer. Yes, these are super sharp, super strong hooks. So I just got myself a small carp head, double hook, one through the lip and one just on the chest. Yeah, let's get this out and I'll show you where I'm going to place it in. Cool.
Yeah, in the reeds. Stuck. It came off. Okay guys, here's the first fish of the day, the smallest barbel in the whole dam.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you what I was using quickly. So the bomb, the feed that I was using was the SVB Extreme feed. Mine's extremely well, and I think the thing is, the combination is 2:1, so 2 cups of feed to 1 cup of water, and that mixture is just perfect. It binds extremely well. All the time I've been using it, hasn't broke once. So What I'm using here is a M2 sinker with just cast and short range. So when I put it on the bomb, I'm just gonna slice the bomb with a line, just to halfway, and then I'm gonna push the sinker into the bomb, and I'm just gonna press it. Okay. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, then the bait. Okay guys, so floaties, I was using a plain hard float from Big Daddy. This is the big tub, and I'm just gonna put one of it on the bottom hook. Just push it to where the shank is, where it straightens up, so that the hook sits a little bit angled. So when the carp picks it up, it's not too straight, and it sets the hook nicely. Lovely pull there. Okay guys, so Sheol's had a pull there, and looks like he's still waiting on the fish to take again. But in the meantime, should we carry on here? Sheol's gonna go on now. Peel some line out. Okay guys, so on the bottom hook is what I got here is a garlic oozer from Supercast, and halfway down with the tub. It means it works very well. So I'm just gonna, same with the last floaties, I'm just gonna push it just before the bar bends, as you can see there. Okay, then my dips. Here I got the garlic spray from Supercast. I'm just gonna spray a little bit, touch. And then I got the creme brulee, also from Supercast, and I'm just going to put a touch of that also. Okay, so I tried leaving the hooks proud, just leaving them to hang, and it didn't seem like they were taking that. So I found that when I was placing it into the bomb, I just take the plain float, place it by the creme brulee, and take the garlic and place it also by the garlic. And I just place it in the bomb, and I cast it out just like that, so that when it lands by the bomb, it's all together. Okay, I'm just gonna cast it out and wait for another one. Hey guys, second time now, second bite. This one's also, I think it's a small one, because it's just picking it up, straightening it and just dropping it. So it's like leveling out, so I don't know whether they're picking it up and leaving it, but I'm just going to give it a little while, see if it, oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm just going to put it now. That doesn't feel like it's it. See guys, yeah, this is a small one, but it's a fish. I'll take it. Let's get into the keep net and throw another bomb out. Yeah.
Guys, so I just caught my first carp, tiny little carp. As you can see, I don't know, but I was just putting my sunblock on now because the sun is beating me. So yeah, let's get this back into the water.
Okay guys, so this is my second fish for today. Same distance, short range. Yeah, 70 meters. Same combo with the creme brulee and garlic. And it seems that the fish are getting bigger, so means that they slowly coming into my feeding ground. So I'm just gonna keep putting to the keep net quickly. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go back and put one or two more bombs on the area just to keep the fish there, and I'll put out the same combo. Okay.
Okay guys, so slightly better fish, around about 800 grams. Yeah, so there's definitely much bigger fish than this in here. We've been seeing them on the surface. Now it's just a matter of time and patience. Yeah, okay, let's get this in. And then just once on that record button.
Came off. Just ask your father.
Yeah, I'll try to do a little bigger. Okay guys, so I've noticed that there's a small stuck or like a drop off. So I'm doing this, I'm trying to get it as close as I can to the surface just to avoid that drop off. And it's just in case there's any reeds or anything. I'm just trying to like get it over. And yeah, this one feels quite decent and giving quite a good fight. See, it's almost here. Not a bad size. Okay guys, slightly bigger. As I'm catching, they're getting slightly bigger and bigger. And yeah, we'll see by the end of the day how it goes. You want another one?
You don't get that song.
Yeah, well, yeah, well. There you go, guys. That is fish number 3 for me. Around about lunchtime, I was just having some dried meat, and I just saw my policeman just jumping all over the place. So, yeah. See, nice guy. Yeah, that's it. Oh, right here.
Pick the rod of the party for them.
Like, pick the rod up, please. Yo, that one opened up nicely.
I'm sure you got that sound on camera.
Yeah. Just cuts a little bit off.
It came off. This carp.
Yeah, right here, right here.
I went in the reef, I tried to pick it up.
How much smaller can you get than this? Smaller than my hand. Look at the size of that. Tiny little fish.
Make sure you're holding it right up.
Okay guys, so I've been having bites throughout the whole day. Not been giving me a break. And I don't know if you can see, but the boys was busy going up and down. And yeah, just gonna reel it out and see what happens. Feels a little bit heavy. Okay guys, very nice size. As you can see, very nice size. Yeah, it actually gave a very strong fight, to be honest. The rod tip was bending and it actually felt much bigger. So I'm actually a little surprised. Yeah. Oh, not a bad size.
That was a size.
Sure.
What's that? Barble. That's what we're here for. Put the keep net. Yeah. Take a picture of it, lah.
Come here, come. Yo. Oh. Yo. So that guys, we've been waiting all day for this bite. Okay, barbel rod just shot off. Yo, feels decent. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of our day, and yes, the morning was crazy hot. We got blistered in the sun, and then some lovely clouds came over, cooled us down a bit, moved off, and then this huge storm came out of nowhere over and around us. So yeah, we caught quite a few fish today. Unfortunately, all were small, and yeah, and guys, so we had a tough day, but we managed to pull out our few carp, lot of small ones, but the way they fought was like they were much bigger. Surprising, when they came, they were only about hand size, but amazing fight. And yeah, towards the end we tried for barbel. Wasn't much luck with the barbel. I had one take, came right here, and got stuck and broke off. Yeah, our main target was to come for Barbel, and yeah, unfortunately the Barbel went on the bite today, and it was very scarce to even just pick up a couple of bites of the Barbel. And yeah,
Okay guys, yeah, let's get home before the storm hits us. Yeah, thanks to Sheolin for getting us to fish here. Yeah, thanks guys.